こんにちは、日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the 6 useful adjectives and the conjugation rule in Japanese. If you haven't learned any adjective conjugations, please check out the previous lesson videos. So let's get started. So in this video lesson, I will introduce na-adjective and na-adjective conjugations. Conjugation in Japanese, we say 活用. So na 形容詞の活用ですね。で、学びましょう means let's learn な形容詞を学びましょう。So, ましょう is let's learn. So, I will introduce, let's start 1. 嫌い means dislike. 嫌い. So, be careful. This is a e included, but not the group is not the e adjectives groups. So, this is belong to na adjectives. So that's why I put here na-adjective group, even though e ending. Repeat after me. 嫌い. Then 大嫌い. If you added die, that's make it emphasizing. 大嫌い means hate. This is quite strong, so I recommend maybe not better, not to use it, but I introduce it. 大嫌い hate. So this is again, it's e ending, but group is na-adjectives groups. Next is 上手 means skillful, good at something. Repeat after me. 上手. はい. Then this よ is smaller than じ. So then pronunciation to put together 上 sound because we pronounce together 上手. And this is kanji for character 上 that means above, and then next letter is a hands because upper skill that means a hand, something 上手 good at something. Okay, repeat after me. 上手. Then 下手 is unskillful. So opposite 上手 上手 written in kanji is up, but this one is down. So this kanji read as 下手, but the meaning is below. So hands, so the skill level is below. That's kind of meaning if you can memorize it. So repeat after me. 下手 下手. The next is 元気. So 元気 means energetic. So normally we use it people, or maybe you could use animal, your pet, or maybe some cases you can use it for trees if you're growing some plants, like my bamboo tree, like is a 元気. Yeah, sorry. 木は元気ですとかね. The tree is 元気. Then last one is 嫌. Repeat after me. 嫌. 嫌 can be, if it's screaming sound, it means no. But if it's just a natural tone, 嫌 means unpleasant or reluctant to do something. 嫌です or 嫌. Repeat after me. 嫌. So this is a kanji. So let's check. This is an adjective. So let's learn the conjugations. Okay, so if you have a notebook, that would be good to take a note, something. So let's use example 元気ね. So start with present tense. Present tense 元気 is simply 元気. And then, so this is I am とかね. is とか am or is ね. Present tense 元気. Then, if you change to present past ね. Past tense. Like a was. That would be 元気. So you changed 元気でした。This is a polite one. Or if you like casual, informal, you can say 元気だった。Then that's the past tense. Then you have negative present, negative present tense. So which is in English, she is not or I am not. I'm not. So I'm not feeling well. You can express like a 元気じゃない。元気じゃないです。Or just take off 元気じゃないです。or more formal is more conservative ね。元気じゃありません is more formal. So both are formal. 元気じゃありません。元気じゃないです。まあ this 元気じゃないです is more used rather than 元気じゃありません。Then if you want to go casual, you just take off this. So I will delete this here. Like this. Then we have a negative, and what would be next one is negative and the past. Negative past. So change it a little bit. Negative past would be so was not. So I was not feeling well. 元気じゃなかった。or 元気じゃありませんでした。And so 元気じゃありませんでした。This is a formal. So longer the more formal always. But if you want to talk to friends, you can use a casual, informal way. So 元気じゃない。Like this. 元気じゃなかった。So this one, なかった。You can add this, but not that adding でした。So じゃなかった is past. So that's the part of the overview of the na-adjective conjugations. So let's go through. Repeat after me. 元気です。then 元気でした。元気じゃありません。元気じゃありませんでした。You can also say informal. Repeat after me. Sorry, that's the have to begin. Get. So, and dot dot get. 元気だった。元気じゃない。元気じゃなかった。So that's the conjugation. So this time I will give you some time. So I want you to try conjugation rule like this. So we have learned let's pick something. How about the 上手? Kanji will be like this. 上手. Do you remember the meaning 上手? 上手 means skillful, good at something. So please try. Start. はい、では答えを確認しましょう。So let's start. 上手 is 上手です。Simple です。まあ、this is polite. So, then 上手。negative would be 上手じゃない。This is optional. or 上手じゃありません。And then, oh, sorry, I forgot the past tense. Past tense is 上手でした。Maybe I'll make it smaller. 上手でした。is it was, was ね。then 上手じゃない。This is is not. I'm not good at something. 上手じゃないです。then 上手じゃなかった。means was not. I was not good at something. 例えば、if it's something you are talking past, I was not good at English. Like, 英語が上手じゃなかった。So that means I was not good at. Then you can use it like this example. Okay? レッスンはここまでです。お疲れ様です。どうでしたか？どうでしたか means how did it go? How was it? So, that's for today's lesson. Well done with your practice. 見てくれてありがとう。Thank you for watching. もしもっと学びたかったらオンラインコースをチェックしてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you will have access to the all lesson videos and can ask any questions related to Japanese. Please check the description for more details. ではまた。さようなら。